Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to pair your AirPods to an Android smartphone. So to do this, we're going to take our AirPods, open up the case, and then we want to put these into pairing mode. And to do this, you hold the little button on the back of the case for a handful of seconds. And then maybe after about 5 or so seconds, you go to the other side of the case, and you can see now by this light blinking, that's indicating that we're now in pairing mode and your AirPods will now be discoverable. So now we're going to head on over to my Android smartphone so we can finish this pairing process. Alright guys, so now at this point what we want to do is on our Android smartphone we're going to drag down the top screen area and we're going to click on the little settings gear. For me it's located right here below the top icons. And this is going to open up our settings page, and what we want to do is go down and click where it says Bluetooth and device connection. And you want to make sure that your Bluetooth is toggled to the on position. And then click on where it says Bluetooth. And this is going to open up an area where you can either pair a new device or see previously connected devices. For me, I'm going to be pairing a new device, my AirPods, so I'm going to click the little plus sign here where it says Pair New Device. And at this point, you need to make sure that your AirPods are in pairing mode and you're holding your AirPods somewhat close to your Android smartphone so that it can be discovered. And usually within about 10 or so seconds in your available devices list, you should find something that pops up and says AirPods. And once you click on where it says AirPods, it should go through the pairing process, which will take a handful of seconds. And then you should be good to go at that point in time once your AirPods have officially paired to your Android smartphone. And once your AirPods successfully pair, it's going to take us back to our Bluetooth page, and we can see under available media devices, it lists our AirPods and they are active, meaning that we are currently connected to our AirPods with our Android smartphone. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the steps on how you can pair AirPods to your Android smartphone. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.